I recently got the TREBLAB wireless Z7 Pro headphones, and I am here to tell you guys, I'm not sure if, this is a bold statement, but I'm not sure if I found a better sounding, more professional, high quality pair of Bluetooth wireless headphones on the marketplace. TREBLAB is a great company. I love that they offer these amazing accessibility cards. You know, they have a 1-year warranty. They really care about their products, and they're easy to access. And the user's manual is super, super easy. Their unboxing and presentation and user-centric philosophy is just profound, and it shows in the way that they present themselves. I love this case. This travel case, it's flexible. It's also very hard and protective, and it just has that feeling of something that's so put together well. In today's day and age, it's hard to find products that are put together well, and voila, look at the beautifulness that is the TREBLAB Z7 Pro. These are amazing headphones. Comes with a phone jack and a USB-C port for charging. I mean, this is like, to me, the definition of high definition sound. It's their flagship over-the-ear headphones. Signature 40 millimeter driver, truly balanced stereo sound, hyperactive noise cancellation. I took this on a jog that I did recently with my dog. I go hiking, I go walking, I play tennis. The ear pads feel, this is going to sound hyperbolic, but I mean this sincerely. It's like if somebody wrapped your ears in clouds. If clouds could be wrapped in a headphone, this is them. They have the easy touch, full functionality with all the buttons and power buttons and connection and volume. Has 6 environmental sensors, an auto switch. Man, are these amazing. That soft protein leather, cloud-like memory foam. It just really takes the audio game to the next level. You have 45 hours of playtime with a 45-hour battery life. I just think it's amazing. The headphones with microphone can be fully charged, quick charge in 20 minutes for 5 hours of playtime. Workout headphones that are made to outlast. Responsive touch control. It has a microphone enabled, head detection with autoplay, multi-connection. This is just everything. 1-year warranty. Look, my son is trying them on right now. Look how awesome those look. He actually claimed that they were the most comfortable. He's a gamer, and plays multiple games. I mean, just like most kids today, and he absolutely loves them. Cannot recommend these enough. These are the premier headphones. You got to get these. They're amazing.